a product demonstration for the Akiles VersaMac. When speed and dependability matter the most, you need the VersaMac. It's an industrial-strength, high-capacity, electric punching machine specifically designed to meet the demanding needs of commercial environments. It punches up to 55 sheets per punch to get the job done faster. Whether it's coil, wire, comb, and more, we've got you covered with up to 14 different color-coded die sets to choose from. It features an extra-wide 14-inch single punching length with an open throat for legal-size sheets and larger documents. One of the most unique features of the VersaMac is that the dies allow you to adjust the depth margin of the holes, so you can decrease the margin for smaller books and increase the margin for larger books to ensure that the pages don't tear out with usage. In addition, our dies also address the issue in other machines where sheets get stuck along the walls of the channel, resulting in punching error. With our revolutionary fitted channel design, your documents never get stuck, resulting in a consistent punch across all sheets. In the event of a paper jam, the VersaMac features an auto reverse button and is also equipped with a manual reverse driver to reduce unnecessary downtime. The extra large waste drawer comes with a transparent flap window so that the punched chips can flow out and prevent jamming. Let's run a coil binding project. Here we have the 4:1 pitch die with oval holes. Adjust the side margin guide using the color-coded guide, which is green for oval 4:1 pitch. Test the punch with a scratch paper. To punch, you can either step on the foot pedal or press the punch button. Check to make sure you don't have any partially punched holes. If you do, you can remove any of the fully disengageable pins by simply lifting the cover and pulling out the pin using the handy paper size guide. Slide the die set back in, lock the latch into place, and you're ready to punch. Once you punch through your documents, you can jog your documents on the U-shaped channel to aid the forming of the spine for faster and easier inserting. For faster inserting and crimping, be sure to check out our electric inserter and crimper, the Finish a Coil E1. Or for even faster crimping, take a look at our Crimp a Coil, which crimps both ends at once. Now let's move on to a wire binding project. To change a die, you simply unlatch the safety lock and slide out the die set. Then slide the wire die in. Once the die is locked in, the green light will appear and the machine is ready for operation. Use our built-in document scale to quickly measure document thickness and easily select your diameter size. Place the wire on the built-in wire holder. And now you can insert the documents while you punch. Now you're ready to use a wire closer, such as our Flexi Closer, featuring a one-touch mechanism to automatically detect wire size and close perfectly across different size wires. All VersaMacs come with a 3-year warranty and loaner program, so in case your machine needs repair, we'll take care of parts and labor, and also send you a free loaner machine, because we know you can't afford unnecessary downtime. Whether you're binding a dozen books or 1,000 books, the Akiles VersaMac is the machine you can depend on for speed, reliability, and versatility.